Hello everybody, my name is BDF4 and welcome to a brand new LEGO Technic build. Today, product 42209's Volvo L120 electrical wheel loader from June 2025. A rather expensive set. Looks pretty nice though, some pneumatic features. Curious to see the size and the moving features of this build. A unique one today. Very big, very bright, mirror yellow, very cool looking, but pretty expensive. Today's set is 973 pieces across 314 steps. To divide that is an average of 3 pieces per section for the L120, coming in at $79.99. Brand new sealed and unopened from Smith's Toy Superstores. This thing is down from £90 at the time of recording. Around the box you can see him working in a dig site. Big fat boy, getting all the dirt out of the ground. Volvo 9 Plus LEGO Technic, everything you'd expect. On the top is a side view of the L120 along with a one-to-one of a tire and wheel. On the right hand side is some stats. The left hand side is another side view. On the underneath is legal stuff. And on the back is some images of the moving features, a real image up at the top right, and a big image of the rear of the L120 along with some stats at the top. Curious to see if the set is worth the price. So let's open the box, get to the contents, and get to today's build. Here's everything for LEGO product 42209, Technic's Volvo L120 electric wheel loader, including bag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. An unnumbered bag with 4 yellow rims and 2 orange sticks. 4 juicy tires. Big scoop that actually feels really quite nice. A sticker sheet with 26 numbered stickers. No instruction sheet. 1. Here's everything for our first bag with loose parts and 1 mini bag. Two. Here is bag 2 with loose parts and 2 mini bags. 3. Here is bag 3 with loose parts and 2 more mini bags. 4. Here is bag 4 with more loose parts and 2 mini bags. 5. Here is bag 5 with loose parts and one more mini bag. 6. Here's our 6th bag of the Volvo with loose parts and one more mini bag. 7. Here is our penultimate bag with loose parts and one mini bag. 8. And here is everything for today's final bag, bag 8, with loose parts and one final mini bag. Here's a follow complete build for LEGO product 42209 Technic's Volvo L120 electric wheel loader, and I'm a big fan. Very vibrant and very bright yellow, a good addition to the yellow gang, as the Technic fans like to call it. This is awesome, and I could see instantly after starting building this set why this is worth £80. This is amazing. 3 big major moving features. First of all is the cog, which turns left, right, in, out, shake it all about. The little cog here is for the scoop. It lifts it up and down, very simple, very nice. And the rear cog here lifts up the entire front contraption. You keep going, you keep going, you keep going, and eventually, we'll get there. It gets to the top. All in all, this set took about 3 or so hours to build, give or take. I've started building my sets in day sections, more methodical, instead of rushing through the builds like I used to do a little bit. I did fall victim to the rush it and get it out at one phase. Now it's more of a methodical build, and I had a lot more fun building this than I thought I would. This is a very, very fun build and very, very easy. It's lovely, it's nice and heavy. It looks a lot more detailed in person. I'll always give these sets more credit for in person. They look absolutely incredible. This is lovely. The stickers were faultless. Across all 8 bags, we gained a total of 24 spare pieces. There's 949 of the allotted 973 on the L120. You can use the other 24 to customize your Volvo electric wheel loader as you so wish. And as I do that, one feature I've forgotten to mention to you, this rear piece here lifts up, which is very nice, exposing a lot of the mechanics in the back and the electric. Is that the hydrogen cells, whatever they're meant to be? Looks very cool, very sweet. Kanye. That's going to be it for today's build. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Would you buy and or build this? This is a very nice set. These bits also flap open here. I forgot to mention. Very nice. Very nice. A lovely set indeed. Very pretty. Very cute. A good size as well. Excited to build more of the yellow gang in the future. With that, it's Live and BDF 18. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.